How to enable or disable directional button in Apple TV remote on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section and you can see here the Apple TV remote. You can tap this and you can see here the directional button. And the directional button is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, you can use button on the iPhone Apple TV remote instead of swipe gesture. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the directional button in Apple TV remote. So to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled directional button in Apple TV remote on iPhone X.